In this video, we have been given that AB is equal to AD and BC is 3, CD is 5 and angle BAD is 60 degrees. Then we have to find area of ABCD. So ABCD, it is cyclic, so sum of opposite angles, angle BAD plus angle BCD, it will be 180 degrees and angle BAD is 60 degrees plus angle BCD, it is 180 degrees. So angle BCD, it will be 180 degrees minus 60 degrees, that will be 120 degrees. So this angle, it is 120 degrees. And now if we join BD then in triangle ABD it is A, B, D, we have AB is equal to AD and this angle is 60 degrees. That means it will be equilateral triangle. So these two angles, they will be also 60 degrees and BD, it will be equal to AB, that will be equal to AD. Suppose X. So if AB is X, then AD, it will be X and BD, it will be X. And now in any triangle ABC, if AB is A, AC is B, BC is C and this angle is theta, then C square, it is A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. So in triangle BCD, X square, it will be equal to 3 square plus 5 square minus 2 times 3 times 5 times cos, and angle is 120 degrees and X square, it is equal to 9 plus 25 minus 2 times 3 times 5 is 30 and cos 120 degrees, it is minus 1 over 2, and minus times minus will be plus, and 2 times 15 is 30. So x square, it is 9 plus 25 plus 15, and x square, it is equal to 9 plus 25 plus 15 is 49. So x, it will be root 49, that will be 7. So we get x is 7. X is 7, and now in any triangle ABC, if AB is A, AC is B, and this angle is theta, then area of ABC, it is 1 over 2 times A times B times sine theta. And here area of ABCD, it will be equal to area of ABD plus area of BCD, and area of ABD, it will be 1 over 2 times AB times AD times sine, and angle is 60 degrees, plus area of BCD, it will be 1 over 2 times BC times CD times sine, and angle is 120 degrees. And it is 1 over 2 times AB7 and AD7, and sine 60 degrees, it is root 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 times BC is 3, CD is 5, and sine 120 degrees, it is root 3 over 2, and it is 49 times root 3 over 4 plus 15 times root 3 over 4, and it will be 64 times root 3 over 4, and 4 times 16 is 64, so it is 16 times root 3, it is 16 times root 3